Today, I'll show you how I took a new website from a domain rating of 0 to 18, with 600 keywords now ranking on Google. This is the tool that did it, and this is my honest review of BlogSEO. In about 4 months, my site detectiondrama.com went from nothing to 69,000 appearances in Google search. No agency, no writers, just this software running in the background. So before I show you anything, understand this. I'm not touring a demo account. This is a live site that I pay for and run every day, so everything you see is real. BlogSEO is an AI platform that runs the entire SEO chain: keyword research, writing, internal links, backlinks, and publishing. Let me show you exactly how each part works inside the app. At its core, BlogSEO is built to run your blog on autopilot. You pick the keywords, it writes the articles, and it pushes them straight to your website on a schedule. Pricing starts at $97 a month on the entry plan. That is roughly the cost of one freelance article for around 30 articles plus the backlinks. On Trustpilot, it sits at 4.6 out of 5 across 42 reviews. That is genuinely high for an SEO tool, and it lines up with what I have seen myself. The pitch is end-to-end automation. Most tools only do one slice of the work. BlogSEO tries to own the whole pipeline, from finding the keyword to publishing the finished post. Let me start where the value shows up first. The writing engine, which is the feature most people come to BlogSEO for in the first place. This is my articles tab. Every single one of these posts was written by BlogSEO and published to Detection Drama. Dozens of them, all live on the site right now. Let me open one. Here is a complete article with a featured image, proper headings, and the target keyword built in. This took minutes to produce, not hours. Notice the structure: a clean intro, proper subheadings, and on-page SEO already handled. You can refine it with AI or edit it by hand before it goes out. In independent tests, BlogSEO turns out a 1,500-word draft in under 5 minutes and takes a keyword to a publishable draft in under 10. That is the speed that makes volume possible. And it is not just English. BlogSEO writes in 31 languages, which matters a lot if you run international blogs or sell into more than one market. But writing is the easy part. The real question with any AI content is whether a single person ever finds it. So let us follow that thread. It starts here in the Keywords tab. BlogSEO surfaces keyword opportunities for your niche, so you're picking from real demand instead of guessing what to write about. The whole workflow is 3 steps. Select your keywords, add them to the calendar, and let it generate. Pick, schedule, done. That is the entire job. Which brings us to scheduling. This calendar is where you lay out your articles across the month, so your blog publishes on a steady, consistent cadence. You're not sitting down to write something every day. You queue up a month of content once, and it ships on schedule without you lifting a finger. On my plan, that is 15 articles a month, running quietly in the background while I work on everything else in the business. But good content on a schedule still is not enough to rank. You need authority, and this is where BlogSEO does something most tools simply do not. This is the Backlinks tab, and it is the real differentiator. BlogSEO runs a non-reciprocal exchange network that earns your site backlinks automatically while you sleep. Here is the proof on my own site. Domain rating of 18 out of 100 measured by Ahrefs, right there in the dashboard. When I started, Detection Drama was a flat 0. 34 backlinks received from the network so far. These are real placements on real domains, not a private blog network you have to hide from Google. And you can see every link in the exchange: the domain, its own rating, a relevance score, and the date it went live. Nothing hidden, full transparency. This is the part most AI writers skip completely. They will happily write you 1,000 posts, but none of them help you rank without links pointing back. BlogSEO does both. The system is simple: 1 credit equals 1 point of domain rating through the exchange. So it is tied directly to authority, not to vanity link counts that do nothing. So the links are real and they are transparent. But are they actually moving the needle on rankings? For that, we go to the Analytics tab. This is the Analytics tab. It tracks your keyword rankings and your domain authority over time, pulled directly from Google search data. 671 keywords now ranking. Every one of those is a doorway into the site that simply did not exist 4 months ago. 69,000 search appearances. That is how many times Detection Drama showed up in Google results, all of it from a standing start in February. And look at the shape of this curve. Up and to the right, every single month since February. That is the compounding growth you actually want from SEO. 123 pages indexed, 600 plus organic visits a period, and still climbing. This is a real site pulling real traffic on autopilot. Numbers are the honest part of any review, so let me be just as honest about the trade-offs, because no tool is perfect and this one is not either. What BlogSEO does well becomes obvious after living in it. End-to-end automation, backlinks built right in, and results you can actually track in your own dashboard. It is not magic though. On competitive topics, the drafts need editing, the brand voice needs steering, and it shines on volume, not on your one big flagship piece. For straightforward informational content, the drafts are clean and mostly original. For your hardest, most competitive pages, you will still want a human pass before publishing. Think of it as a tireless junior content team that ships volume, not a senior strategist. Priced like the former, but it works like a multiplier on your output. So with all of that on the table, who's this tool actually for and who should probably skip it? Let me be specific. Publishing is where the loop closes. BlogSEO connects straight to your content management system, so finished articles post themselves with no copy and paste. WordPress, Shopify, Webflow, Wix, Ghost, HubSpot, and more. My detection drama site is connected right here through WordPress, so every article publishes itself the moment it is ready. That is the whole point of the system. Keyword, to calendar, to draft, to a live published post, without you ever touching the publish button yourself. Buy it if you are one of these people, a niche site builder, an agency scaling content for clients, or anyone running blogs in more than one language. Skip it if this is you. You publish one carefully crafted post a month, you need a strong, distinct brand voice, or you refuse to ever edit a single line. For me, running a niche authority site by myself, it removed my single biggest bottleneck. Consistent published content with the links attached to actually make it rank. At $97 for around 30 articles with backlinks, the math only needs one of those posts to rank and earn to pay for the entire month. Which leaves the only two questions that really matter. Is it legitimate and is it actually worth your money? Here is where to get it and then my verdict. You get it directly at BlogSEO IO. The entry plan is $97 a month with higher tiers for more articles and more backlink credits as you scale up. The plans really scale on two things: how many articles you generate each month and how many backlink credits you earn. More of both as you move up the tiers. My advice is simple: start on the entry plan, point it at one site, and judge it on 90 days of analytics, exactly like the ones I just walked you through. So here is my honest verdict after running BlogSEO on a live, paying site for months, not after a 15-minute trial of a demo. BlogSEO took my site from 0 to a domain rating of 18,600 keywords and 69,000 search appearances. That is not marketing copy, that is my own dashboard. It is not flawless. The drafts need a human pass on hard topics, and you have to steer the brand voice, but the core engine genuinely delivers results. Net, after real use, here's where I land. It has been a clear positive for me. Real results, real links, and genuinely worth it if your game is volume SEO. If you want one tool to run a content engine from end to end, and you will actually edit the output, BlogSEO earns its place in your stack. Recommend it with eyes open. But do not take only my word for it. Let me leave you with what other real, paying customers are saying straight from Trustpilot. An online pet supply store says BlogSEO made it much easier to keep their blog active without spending hours every week on keyword research and writing. A healthcare marketing team says a steady content pipeline used to eat way more time than it should, and BlogSEO made it much easier to find solid keyword opportunities. Another customer praises the team directly. They fixed a small indexing problem on his site personally, and as he puts it, the software works as advertised. 4.6 out of 5, 42 reviews, and a live site to back it up. That is BlogSEO. The link is in the description. Tell me if you want the full detection drama case study next.